Eurocap, Tiki, Taka, ShipOwner 506. Throughout history here, Bilbao, apart from being the Eurocup finals today, also we have had the Tiki Taka. So this very intelligent person told me one day, Jose, God, the seventh day, thought about how rich some cities like Bilbao were. He was looking around and thought, well, really, I had too much giving to Bilbao. The best strategic, the best commerce, 50% of all the fleet, of cargo, beautiful beaches, fishing. You can go all the way to Terranova for cod, for whales. You can go for tuna all the way from this door to the Indian Ocean, to the Pacific, to the South Atlantic. You can go to the north fishing to Ireland. You can have the best flota, the Spanish fleet. You can have shipping. You can develop such business. And then suddenly God decided, how can I offset this? Okay, I will put Basque politicians. Then we are even. So indeed, this is what's going on throughout history. Now it seems that the smart decision is to have massification of tourism around here, like in Mallorca or Canaries, and that's the solution, because they get taxed and because they are politicians no valid for nothing else. I compare to them with stones. But then, what is the advantage of living here in Bilbao is that we are still in the center of Tiki Taka. We generated the first enlistment contracts in Philippines 75 years ago. My late father, no one has amended those, the wage scales, the paragraphs, the insurance. We really looked at different flags. We can choose flag of convenience. We can choose any other Spanish flag, for example, with the lowest income tax, because we have our own tax. And there's many solutions that we have here for you, dear supporter. Why? Because even though we are the richest, and then we have these politicians that make it even, really it is a solution for you, because we will be standing here in the middle of the Tiki-Taka shipping community for perpetuity. Therefore, contact us, because we have the solutions. We have seen everything moving around maritime sector for the last 3,000 years. Thank you. Bye.